Hi, I'm Mi Elfverson and I'm the founder of the Vlog Academy, and I'm also the creator of iStorm, the online visibility program for passionate businesswomen who want to step up their game and be seen as the go-to expert in their field. I started in high-end film and television over 25 years ago, and I've been working as a professional video producer and photographer for the last 10 years. I've also been coaching thousands of people by now, from UEFA footballers to TEDx speakers, and I've taught them how to be better on camera and connect on a deeper level with their viewers. So what I've now done is that I combined all my experience and put it all into an online program to help you with your clarity, confidence and your connection. So it's very common when you're trying to build up your business that you feel you're working so hard but it's still not quite happening. You're doing so much but you're still not reaching enough people, and you're just feeling overwhelmed by everything you need to do to stay visible on social media. Your content might be a little bit all over the place because you haven't actually sat down to get a proper strategy in place. And then it's easy to get distracted and start posting things that aren't of real value to your audience. And you might feel it's quite challenging to know what to talk about and to look confident and charismatic on camera. Well, if any of this is you, you are thankfully a perfectly normal human being. But I think it's time for you to join me in iStorm so you can get some more structure in place. With the help of my personal 10-step action plan, I'm going to get you more visible online with more engaging content. I will help you to feel and look confident and aligned with your brand, and show your unique superpower so people understand why they should come to you and not go to your competitor. Together with some top industry experts, we're going to show you how you can get a plan together so your knowledge and experience can lift you to the next level, so you can reach a larger audience, connect on a deeper level with your viewer, and be regarded as an expert in your field. I really hope to see you in this group of amazing women that already is building up, where we will support you, we will give you feedback on your visual content and encourage you so you can go out there and claim your space with a strong and confident voice. Just click on the link next to this video and you'll see the full content of the iStorm program. I really hope to see you within the group.